Folks, we're back here out at the creek again. Haven't caught anything in the last two spots we went. We decided we'd go somewhere where we know we can catch something, and here we are, catching these green sunfish back here out at the creek. Hopefully it's gonna be a decent evening out here, and we have a whole bunch of catches to make up for all the missed time we've had for the day. So we'll see what happens. I'm out here with my dad, my buddy Garrett. Hopefully we'll catch something. Well, folks, I've got another one. It is the tiniest little fella. Let's see if we can get him off of this hook. Look at that tiny little guy. Isn't he just adorable? So far, the creek is producing better than the other two ponds we've stopped at today. We've had no luck up until this point. So hopefully it'll keep up into the evening. We're gonna probably try and fish at least till it gets dark and then call it a day after that. So Garrett over here catching the big fish. Ooh, tighten your drag down just a little. Not too much now. You're gonna break that line. Look at that. That's the good stuff right there. That's a pretty good sized fish. Check that guy out. There you go.
Got a good hold on him. Come on, give me that back. That's mine. Trying not to get spined right now.
Yeah. There we go. Turn the other way. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back in the water. Good stuff, buddy. Well, here's another one. Catching all the small ones today. Hey, calm down there, little fella. He's a tiny one, but he's pretty. All right. We're doing a lot better here than we have been. Oh, Garrett just had a good bite too. And off into the little tree branch I go. Let's see what happens here. This is gonna be dumb. And it's in there. All right, cool. Ooh. Here we go. Got us another little guy. Calm down there, fella. Oh, he's feisty. Look at that guy. Nice and pretty. Beautiful fish. My boy Garrett getting another one. He's beating me with weight right now. I'm beating him with total number of fish caught. I've caught a bunch of small ones. This guy keeps catching the bigger guys. Get there.
Open your mouth. He's still got a lot of fight in him. He's fighting right now.
Yeah. Look at that. Good looking fish. Good stuff. Let's get him back in the water. Alrighty, folks, I got another one. Ooh. Ooh, it's a crappie. All right. Finally got me another crappie out of here. Look at that guy. Beautiful fish. Let me get this hook out of him here. I'll give you guys a look. Oh yeah. There we go. That is a beautiful crappie. Beautiful crappie. That's pretty darn awesome. I had a crappie on a couple weeks ago out here, and he came off right as I got him up out of the water. So it's nice to be able to finally get one and get him up out of the water to get a look at him. That was a good looking fish right there.